Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a one-bedroom villa right here at Saratoga Springs Deluxe Disney Resort. So come on in, check it out. And of course Jake's going to give me a hand with the tour. So here we are, we're in 9525. This is the grandstand area of the resort. So you first walk in, again, one-bedroom villa. You got a nice little mirror here when you come in. Little end table here, put some different things on. I don't think there's any drawers here, no. Some hooks. Walk over to this side, you got some nice artwork there. Of course, you have your climate control. I did turn the lights on, several of the lights, so you can see this little lake. Again, they keep to the theming here, right? So this is Saratoga Springs again. So you got one of these like little chandelier type lights overhanging this little dining table area. I really like this. Some nice comfortable chairs. It's got the bench seat in the back. And then all your controls for you have your light for your fan now, let's say. Yeah, all right. Then you have your fan speed, all the different light controls there. And we'll just walk right in this way, guys. Now with the villas, you get the full refrigerator, so very nice. And open that up, you get the freezer, full-size refrigerator, full-size stove, oven. You get a microwave, and you get all of the drinking glasses, the plates, the bowls, everything you need. So you can definitely utilize this. If you're here for several nights, you can actually go and get groceries and make your own meals if you wanted. Nice big coffee maker there with the Joffrey's coffee. And nice outlets here, plenty of outlets. You got the paper towel, you got all the cutlery you need. I wonder if there's pots. Yeah, there's some pans. Look at that. And you also have the dishwasher. Look at that. Nice. Got the nice deep sink. Trash can underneath. Recycle. Again, more of the items you need there. And let's move over this way, guys. Again, nice theming here. A little Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. And you have the Hello Disney. This is kind of an interactive app. You can speak to it and it'll turn lights on and things like that. I usually don't really mess with it too much. But it's there for your options. More outlets there. Oh, okay. This is a Murphy bed, so this folds down. Maybe I'll show it later if I can, but it folds down. Oh, it's got beautiful artwork back there. Again, theming there with the Victorian style home there. So this would come right down. Nice Murphy bed there. Coming around this side. One thing I did notice here is they have some nice outlets here on the side. You have the USB and then your regular outlets. This is pretty cool. Jake, give me a hand with this. Another bed here. You got Goofy up there. He's beautiful. Look at the size of the TV in here too. This is such a nice, comfortable room. Walking over here, you have this nice, really big walkout deck, patio with the glass, big glass sliding doors, a lot of natural light coming in. Take a little look out here. Oh, it looks like it's locked. There we go. You have some seating. There you go. A little table there, and look at the beautiful views. This golf course is all around this resort. And then you can just sit out here and enjoy that. And I love the smell of these nice bushes here, the pine. It definitely does remind me of that area of the country. Yeah. New England and upper state New York. A lot of those pines. It smells really nice. All right, let's keep moving around just to kind of show you guys an overlook here. There's a lot of room in here. This is a 1-bedroom again. So as you're coming around this way, you'll have full laundry. Look at that. Washer and a dryer. And they supply you with different, you know, soaps and different things you can use. You got a basket here. So, pretty neat. You also, you know, if you wanted to clean up a little bit. I think we'll go this way first. Into the bathroom. Coming over this way, guys. Nice deep sink. You got your amenities you need. Beautiful mirror. Don't forget, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Nice big stand-up shower here. You got the 2 different shower heads. This one will be adjustable and you can pull it off. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Over on this side, separate area where your toilet is. So, that, and then what's pretty neat about this is at night, people that are sleeping out here can come in and use this door, keep this one closed, and then at night, so you don't disturb the other people, you can come through and use this one. So it doesn't look like there's a screw coming out there, but I would be a little careful. Oh, is that, maybe that's the lock. Okay, that's the lock. So when you come in, if you're sharing it, just lock it there. That's unlocked now. And yeah, this one looks like it's missing, but should be a little lock there too. So when you're coming in, just, you know, for privacy, lock your door. Come around this side, guys. Another sink here. This nice bathtub, deep bathtub. Awesome. It's a light up makeup mirror, right? Yeah. Come through here. You have your iron, full length ironing board, hangers. You got a safe. You got more bedding, extra blankets, pillows. You got a vacuum, probably for the housekeepers. And this is, again, a 1-bedroom villa. So, oh, okay, so the lock's there. So you can lock that this way. Okay, so I get it. So you would go in, if you're going in, then you would lock that. The thing is, though, if you're coming this way, right, somebody could come in on you. So be careful of that, but you'd probably be most likely in there anyway, so. Come over this side, this is the bedroom. So, you got another nice ceiling fan there. Again, you have your controls so you can set your lights. They're on dimmers. Oh, that controls both of those. Again, plenty of outlets for charging. Come around this side, and these lamps also with the USBs, regular chargers there. More storage. Come over here, you got all this for storage. So, I mean, there's a lot of storage between the, over there where the ironing board was and this. Another big lamp here. And again, nice big windows here with a lot of natural light to come in. And then, of course, your privacy lines. Another nice little chair with the ottoman as well. Got your phone. What I like about this, no cord. It's really cool. So if you need anything in the resort, you know, you can use that. Front desk, housekeeping, and then some really cool artwork, which I like because it's from actually Saratoga Springs. There's the racetrack there. There's some of the resort area. I've never been to Saratoga Springs in New York, but definitely familiar of it, you know, of course, with horse racing and things. And it's, from what I know, a very beautiful place. It's been around for a long time. So, oh, and there's another mirror there. So, there you have it. Your tour of a 1-bedroom villa here at Saratoga Springs. I think what we'll do is I'm going to not end the vlog yet because I want to give you a review of the room. We like to do that when we stay over at resorts. Before we check out, we let you know, was there a lot of noise? You know, how is the lighting coming in? Were there sounds at night? Did, like, the fan keep us up? Was the AC okay? You know, anything that wasn't working right. So I like to add those into the room tour. So it's a room tour with a review. And then maybe later, if we pull that bed down, I can show you what that looks like. There we go, guys. I figured I'd show you this. We're going to grab the pillows out of the closet, but look at the nice artwork there. The old Victorian home there, right? This is on wheels. You just roll it out of the way. Oh, another feature to this. Kind of neat. You can store stuff, or you can raise it up if you wanted to kind of use it as a table. And then here's the other one. Now, we'll get right into the review of the room. How did we like it? All right, guys. And now it's the next morning, so good morning. And now it's time for the room review. So as you can see, Jake kind of just slept out here. We're hanging out. We're getting ready to go get breakfast. So when it comes to the room, guys, I really can't find anything to complain about in this room. So far, Jake, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, AC's awesome. I didn't hear any people walking by the room. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything outside. Everything is working in the room. If I had to be real picky, I'd say the dryer was a little loud. So if you're gonna dry clothes, maybe do it if you're gonna go out. But I mean, that's like nitpicking. That's like really trying to find something wrong. So I can't really complain. So we've only stayed at 3 different resorts so far, right? We stayed at the Value, which was a Pop Century, which was, we could hear a lot of things between the walls. We stayed at the Moderate Resort, which was Port Orleans.
For the vlog, you mean, yeah.
Yeah, I was talking vlog purposes. And we could hear a lot of the people walking back and forth by our room. Here, no. So I don't know. It's now we've experienced a stay in each level of resorts. So I'm interested to see how this progresses through as we start to go to more Value, more Moderate, and more Deluxe, to see if there is a really big difference, because so far there is. And if you follow along, you're gonna you can see. I mean, between the Value and a Deluxe is huge differences. So I'm really glad I got to experience the Deluxe. It's a whole nother level. On the vlog, our full vlog that we're going to make today, we're going to start talking about who we think could utilize this, what we liked about it, what we didn't. So there's our review. Nothing really to complain about. If you're fortunate enough to get a 1-bedroom villa here at Saratoga Springs.
Probably 2 bedrooms even better.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms even better. I'm sure the studios are great, but awesome rooms, no complaints. Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!